Good morning, 10th class. I hope you are all fine. Today we will start the next chapter in human, which is ear. As you know, hearing is as important as vision. So this ear is important in hearing, and it also maintains the balance and posture of our body. So ear is important in hearing and maintaining the balance or equilibrium of our body. Okay, it basically consists of three main parts. Today we will discuss these three main parts, which is external ear, middle ear and internal ear. These are the three main parts of ear: external ear, middle ear and internal ear. Okay, first part of the ear is the external ear, and it is further divided into three parts, which is pinna, auditory canal and eardrum or tympanum. Okay, the three main parts of external ear is the pinna, auditory canal and eardrum or tympanum. Okay, this basically this figure shows the human ear, and these are the three parts of the external ear. The first part is the pinna, and pinna is outer. This one is pinna, outer external part, and this is broad external part and is made up of cartilage and is covered with skin. Okay, and it basically directs the sound waves into the auditory canal. Okay, its function is it directs the sound into the next part of the ear, which is the auditory canal. Okay, next part is the auditory canal. Auditory canal basically have glands in its wall and which produce wax, and it also have hair, and it prevent the entry of any foreign particle into the ear. Okay, basically ear is very sensitive part, and this auditory canal prevent the entry of any foreign particle like insects, germs and dust to enter into the ear. So this is function of auditory canal, and it also help to maintain the temperature and dampness of auditory canal. Okay, next part is the tympanum. Tympanum or eardrum. This is eardrum, and this basically separate this middle ear from the external ear. This is next part is the middle ear, and this separate external ear and middle ear. Okay, next part of the ear is the middle ear. Middle ear basically consists of, this is middle ear, and it consists of three bones which is known as ossicles, and three bones are malleus, incus and stapes. These are the three bones of middle ear, and these are basically movable bone. And first bone is the malleus, which is attached to the tympanum. This is malleus, and then comes incus, and then last bone is the stapes. These are the three bones of middle ear. Okay, you also practice the diagram. This is very important regarding paper में ड्रॉ करना होता है आपको डायग्राम्स पे, तो इट्स वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. You should practice the diagram. Okay, so the next part of the middle ear is the oval window. Oval window basically it separate the middle ear from inner ear. This is oval ear, oval window, and it separates middle ear from inner ear. So two major parts of the middle ear is these ossicles or bones and oval window. Okay, and there is another part which is eustachian tube, and this eustachian tube basically communicate ear with the nasal cavity. Okay, there is a connection between ear and our throat के दरमियान में connection होता है. This is basically due to this eustachian tube, and this eustachian tube also regulate the air pressure on both sides of eardrum. So this is the function of eustachian tube. So this is the next part of the ear, which is middle ear, that made up of ossicles that is 3 bones, malleus, incus and stapes and oval window. Okay, stapes is basically the smallest bone in the human body. Okay, it is the smallest bone in the human body. Okay, so this is the second part of the ear, and the last part is the inner ear. This is the last part. Okay, this basically consists of 3 main parts. Inner ear is again made up of 3 parts, which is vestibule, semicircular canal and cochlea. Okay, this is the diagram of inner ear. This is semicircular canal, this is vestibule, and this is cochlea. Okay, vestibule is present in the middle of inner ear. This is vestibule. It is present in the inner of the middle of the inner ear, center में होता है. Okay, and from this vestibule there are semicircular canal. There are 3 semicircular canal. Basically, they emerge from it. 3 semicircular canal. They emerge from the vestibule. Okay, and the last part is cochlea, and it is made up of 3 ducts. It is also which wrap around it. इस तरह wrap हुए होते हैं itself into a coil tube. Coil tube की form में cochlea जो है वो present होता है in the inner ear. And there is basically sound receptors are present within the middle of duct of the cochlea. Center में यहाँ पे cochlea के center में sound receptors होते हैं that help in the sensation of hearing. So these are the 3 parts of inner ear, which is vestibule, semicircular canal and cochlea. Vestibule is present in the center of inner ear. 3 canals called semicircular canal are posterior to the vestibule. Cochlea is made up of 3 ducts and wraps itself into a coil tube. Sound receptors are also present within the middle duct of cochlea. So this is the 3 major parts of the ear, which is external ear, middle ear and inner ear. Okay, practice the diagram. इसके different parts के function पूछ लिए जाते हैं, and it's also important for long question. Long question के लिए भी आ जाता है, short question में भी आ जाता है. For example, आपने इसको बहुत deeply पढ़ना है, आप लोगों को पता है बहुत thoroughly bio का आपने learn करना होता है. अब for example जिस तरह से Eustachian tube का function पूछ लिया जाता है, इसके अलावा tympanum, what is tympanum, और इसका फंक्शन पूछ लिया जाता है. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप बहुत डेप्थ में इसको पढ़ें और इसको डायग्राम की प्रैक्टिस करें, एमसीक्यूज बनाया करें साथ साथ, और इसको अच्छे से लर्न करें. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़.